Welcome to this tutorial. How to determine the size of a file or folder. You may be facing an issue on low storage space, or you may want to check the file or folder size. Here, we are showing an easy solution in this video to check the size of a file or folder. Follow these easy and simple steps. Open File Explorer on your PC. To do so, click on the folder icon at the bottom taskbar. Navigate the location of your saved files or folder that you want to check their size. Select a file. For example, I'm selecting this image. Right-click on it, and from the drop-down list, click on the Properties. You will find the size of this file in the General tab of the File Properties window. Clicking on this Cancel button to show you how to check the folder size in a similar way. Select a folder and right-click on it. From the drop-down list, click on the Properties. See, this is showing the size of this folder here in the General tab of Properties. Let's see one more way to find the file or folder size. Click the View tab at the top menu. In the Layout section, click on the Details option. See, under the Size column, you will find the size of the files. If you will click on the Size drop-down arrow, then from the list, you can select any one or all available options to check the file size. If you will select the Small, it will only show you the small size files. Similarly, you can check the medium size files. And if you will uncheck all the boxes, then you will see all the files and folders of different sizes. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.